What is up, family? It is of course your boy Josh Sneaks. I'm back with another banger video for you guys today. And today I'm back with another review. And by the thumbnail and title of this video, I do have the Air Jordan 1 Mochas, which is personally probably the best Air Jordan 1 of 2020 so far. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Starting off, you do have your classic Air Jordan 1 box in black with your red Nike branding around it. You have it on the top, the sides, and you have your size tag. Your boy actually did get this in his size, which means I'm keeping it in the collection. It is my first ever Jordan 1, so it's staying in the collection, and I really like this colorway, so I had to keep it. And retail on this shoe is $170. These shoes did release on October 31st, also known as Halloween, so that probably gave it a little touch too. The official colorway of this shoe is Sail Black Dark Mocha Black, as you guys can see right there. Yes sir, yes sir. I did take out the shoes out of the box. You can't see them just yet, but stay tuned. And in the box, you do get white tissue paper. My paper is already torn up, so I'm probably not even gonna keep that. But you do also have your like authentication stamp right there. Yes sir, yes sir. Yep. And you do have your numbers on the lid. They're like half cut out, but yeah. That's pretty much it for the box. And we have the Air Jordan 1 Mochas. Not gonna lie, this was probably the most anticipated release of October. Like looking back, I think most people are looking forward to these shoes. And keep in mind, the Off-White 5s did release in October, which I actually have a review on, so make sure you go check that out. And then come back to this one. And this shoe is known as like the broke man's Travis, or it could also be a great alternative to the Travis Scott ones. However, personally, I think this is its own shoe. It may look similar to the Travis's, but however, I think this is like it's its own version, you know. But I like the shoe a lot. To you, other people, it may look ugly, but to me, the shoe is fire. So that being said, let's get into the review. So starting out, you do have an all black outsole. I'm very happy that they did not do a white outsole or a brown outsole. That would just ruin the shoe. So I'm happy that they kept it plain with the all black. You do have your Nike branding right there. Moving up, you do have a Sail midsole. It may look white, however, it is Sail. The Sail color always looks white, so it is a Sail. Moving up, you do have your Air Jordan Wings logo in a gloss black. And you do have the main attraction of the shoe, which is the brown suede. It is a two-tone suede, which means one direction gets lighter and the other direction gets darker. I think that's the darker one, this is the lighter one. So yeah, that is pretty cool, pretty cool. But the upper of the shoe is a leather material, however the leather isn't that great. Personally, I wasn't expecting anything too crazy, but it's not that great. So that's probably the only complaint on this shoe. It is kind of tumbled. I don't know if you could see it on camera. Kind of, but it is kind of tumbled. So that's pretty cool, pretty cool. You do have your classic black Nike swoosh, as you guys see right there. Moving up, you do have your black sock liner with the Nike Air in. I don't even know if that's Sail or white, but Sail / white, and you do have your size sticker. And this is not the shoe tree that comes with the shoe. This is IKEA shoe trees. I will link them in the description if you guys want to check it out. But you do get your classic brown shoe tree with these. It won't be that much help with creases, but you'll still keep them in there. That's pretty much it for the insole. Put this back in. These stuff are a pain to put back in, as you guys can see right there. Moving on, you do have that same black leather around the eyelets. You do have the black laces that come laced up with the shoe. However, you do actually get a pair of Sail laces. Again, they may look white, but it is Sail laces. Yeah, no, you can kind of see the difference because I'm wearing a white tee. But yeah, you can kind of see the difference. You do have your standard Air Jordan 1 nylon tongue with the Nike Air branding in black. That's pretty nice. And you do also have a Sail mudguard. as I've been said, some of this shoe they made sail and some of it they made white. For example, the mudguard is sail and the midsole is sail. However, they made the tongue white. But personally, you cannot tell the difference. So that's pretty cool, but I didn't really see the point of that. But I guess it's just to give it a nice character. And personally, I do think this is the best Air Jordan 1 of 2020 so far. As of the day I post this video, or as the day I'm recording this video, this is probably the best Air Jordan 1 out there. And I know many of you are going to say, what happened to the Dior's or whatever Air Jordan 1 dropped earlier. But like, for example, the Dior's were very limited. And I'm talking about this was probably the best general release sneaker that doesn't cost that much resale. Like, this is the best Air Jordan 1 of 2020 that people can afford. And that's not like, I don't know how much the Dior's cost, but like not like $10,000. But definitely, if you guys are thinking of copying these shoes, I suggest you do it. Over time, Jordan 1s do sky up in value, so I suggest if you want a pair, you cop them now. But other than that, this is a very, very great shoe. And also, before I forget to mention, the shoe did not come out laced like this. These are the ways I will probably lace my shoes. The Jordan 1s, either this way, with the laces sticking out, or like how all the way up here, which I personally like better, so I'll probably lace it like this. But that's pretty much it for the review, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all smash that like button, share this video, and let me know in the comments what are your thoughts on this shoe. Is it worth the hype, or is it not? Just let me know. And with that being said, it's been your boy Josh Sneaks, and I'm out.